Today, we're sounding the warning about the leadership void in the world. The United States is not the world's police force, but we are the world leader. Sadly, our current detachment from this responsibility is resulting in an increasingly unstable world. America needs to lead on the world stage because when it withdraws, like President Obama is doing now, the vacuum can quickly be filled with unspeakable evil like we see in ISIS. We must have a serious plan to defeat ISIS, and we must have the backbone to ensure that Iran never gets nuclear weapons. We are moving in the exact wrong direction on both those fronts. Follow us at restorationpact.com as we highlight the important foreign policy leadership our nation must exert to restore our place as the beacon for freedom and peace to the entire world. Please sign our petition opposing Democrats who are boycotting Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's speech to Congress March 3rd. We need to hear his moral clarity in this time of international chaos. Let's send a message to Washington that it's time to lead.